Hi, I'm Martin from Tame West Plumbing Services in Leeds, and I'm a Genius Hub installer. The main benefits one is cost savings. So in a traditional house, you're going to save roughly 20%. In a property like this, you're going to save up to 25% if it's in footprint mode. So to enable you to get footprint mode, you've obviously got to fit the room sensors as well as the TRV head. Once it's gone through a cycle of learning, which is a couple of weeks on timed, you then switch everything over to footprint mode. And at that point then, the owner of the property starts to make some savings. So it actually self-learns itself, so it will learn the occupation in the areas where those are located. So effectively, you know, the heating, as we've got in this room now, is only on in this particular room and it's off everywhere else in the house. In a domestic property where you might have the traditional fact that you're away for most of the day, and effectively you might have only 2 or 3 time periods per day. So cost saving is a huge benefit, ease of installation and cost of equipment. And ultimately control, you've got control because each room becomes a zone effectively. So you've got control over each area of the property, which you don't have with other products on the market. People want to turn their heating on and off away from the property. That can be done quite easily, as it can be done obviously with other products that are out there. The difference is with this system, it's not like you're turning the whole house on. You're effectively turning on the areas that you wish to be on before you get home. So that's one example. I think the benefits of having a Genius Hub installer outweighs anything else. You really need a qualified person because of the electric aspect of things. I mean, really, we shouldn't be messing inside boilers, wiring in unless you're a gas engineer. We shouldn't be really touching, you know, household ring main electrics and tapping into those kind of things unless we hold the qualifications. So really, it's better to have a professional come and install it. And you also know then that you've got the backup that if something's not quite right, you've got one port of call. You know, so it's a better option.